Hi there, this is Angela from AutoState. We are a manufacturer that specializes in off-road and on-road parts. You can find our products covering from kickstarters, gearshift levers, and also brake pedals. Last year, we just moved into our new factory building that is located in the Taipei Industrial Park, which covers more than 128,000 square feet. We invested a lot in our testing machines, but also on our CNC machines. Right now, we have more than 12 CNC machines working in our factory with 2 robotic arms, which helps us to save a lot of time. What I'm trying to share with you today is that our foot pegs for 23 KTM models. It's April 2023 now, but we have already launched 4 different types of foot pegs for KTM. For example, I have it with me here is the first generation of our foot pegs. Right here is the second generation. On the bike you'll see in the video, it's our titanium foot pegs for 2023 KTM models. So if you need any further information about our products, or if you have any questions regarding to our products, please just go to our website, www.auto-state.com, or just drop us an email through our website. Thank you.